So just recently, this computer stopped working. In fact, it so stopped working that the power button doesn't actually shut off the machine anymore. And this is the only button that actually makes the display turn on, except it only makes the display turn on once, but it displays the correct stuff. So, not even the keyboard's dead. No disk activity. And the only way you can get it to turn off is by unplugging it. But there is something really weird that's happening on the back of the machine. Check this out. Yeah, you see that? That's the Ethernet port. It even happens when the cable's not even connected. But check this out. I'm unplugging the cable right now. Disconnected. I'll plug it back in. It's connected. So really, I think that something in here has shorted out. Or we may have a bad RAM situation on our hands. And I really hope that it is not this. I really hope it's not the A4. And I'm pretty sure it probably is the RAM. And if we unplug it here, that blinking will stop. But if I take a closer look, there's nothing wrong with the port or the input itself, so it's not this. And it just auto powers on. And it just won't, it just won't boot. No signs of life. I mean, no, there are signs of life. But not even this dock is getting picked up. Because usually, what will happen with these pluggable docks is that when a system detects it, and then the USB link starts, USB line, this power light will turn on, but it doesn't. And if I hit the display switch button, watch what happens. That's what's supposed to happen. You see this? This is the time. That's the display input timer. Except I think that's what it's called. Except then that button doesn't work ever again. Unless you completely power cycle the system using the AC. And yes, I've tried all the usual methods of unplugging all the devices. I've tried even opening up this machine. I didn't find any problems with it. I didn't find anything other than one screw, but it wasn't even touching the motherboard. So my thinking here is that we may have a problem with it could be one of four things. It could be A, the motherboard's fried. B, we have bad RAM. C, we have a bad CPU. Or D, it's losing power in certain parts of the motherboard. Those are four things that could be causing the issue. And no USB device is getting powered by this. But miraculously, you just saw the internal optical drive is being powered. See that? So that's being powered. And this has happened since the 23rd, 24th, I think, or something. And this thing just gone completely dead. So I don't know what's going on here. I honestly have no idea what's going on here, but yeah. Now, if this thing is unrepairable, I may have to transplant the hard drive out of this thing into a different computer. And I have checked, and the hard drive is actually fine. And because I know it's fine because when you start it up, if you hear very carefully, you may be able to hear the hard drive spinning up. And yeah, it doesn't start. It doesn't repetitively click, but you can hear it very faintly spinning. And the reason you can't hear it that well is because it's not the drive itself. Rather, it's because the drive is actually spinning at a way slower speed because it's not actively reading or writing any data. And two, it's not even detected through SATA. And three, the machine is literally not using it. Now, I don't understand why this just all of a sudden started happening. And I even tried doing that residual discharge thing, like where the thing's unplugged and you hold down the power button. Yeah, that didn't work either. So if any of you guys know how to fix this issue, this is a Lenovo C40-05 FOB something or other. It's a US model. 4 GB of RAM, AMD A4 7210 APU, Seagate ST500MD series drive that didn't fail. 21.5 inch non-touch screen display, LBG 720p webcam, dual microphones, DDP, Dolby Digital Plus. If any of you guys know how to fix this or have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!